Hey everyone, Justin here with Dalinghaus Construction. If you have a crawl space, you've probably seen those little windows, the vents, built into your foundation. For decades, the standard advice was to keep them open to let the house breathe. But today, we're busting that myth. Open vents can actually be a magnet for moisture, cold floors, and even frozen pipes. We're gonna dive into what these vents really do, why moisture is your home's worst enemy, and the best way to seal your crawl space for good. First off, what are we looking at? A crawlspace vent is essentially a mini window designed to allow air to flow beneath your home. The original purpose. They were designed to provide ventilation and offer a path for gases like radon to escape. When left open, they let outside air circulate freely. Some homeowners add mesh to keep bugs out, but the air still moves through. A closed vent uses a panel or cover, often made of plastic or metal, to seal the area off entirely. Many of these covers even include insulation to keep the space warm and dry. So, should they stay open? If you live in a hot, arid desert where the air is bone dry, you might be okay. But for most of us, especially in humid regions, we recommend keeping them closed year-round to prevent moisture from wreaking havoc. If you leave these vents open, you're basically inviting moisture to a party your home didn't want to host. But vents aren't the only way that water gets in. Condensation. This is a big one. When warm, humid air hits your cool crawl space through an open vent, it condenses on your pipes, ducts, and walls. Seeping groundwater. After a heavy rain, saturated soil can push water through foundation cracks. Poor drainage. If your gutters are clogged or your downspouts drop water right at the base of your home, it's going to seep into the crawlspace walls. Plumbing leaks. Sometimes the call is coming from inside the house. Leaky pipes or water heaters can increase humidity for a long time before even being noticed. Rising damp. Ground moisture can actually climb up your foundation walls through capillary action. So why does a little water under the house matter? Because it triggers a chain reaction of problems. Mold and mildew. Spores spread rapidly, which can lead to allergies and respiratory issues for your family. Wood rot. This is the scary stuff. It rots the critical supports of your home, leading to sagging floors and even total structural failure. Pests. Termites love damp wood, and rodents love the humid environment too. Energy costs. Damp insulation doesn't work very well. It overworks your HVAC system and sends your energy bills through the roof. Corrosion. Moisture eats away at metal, causing pipes to leak and even creating electrical fire risks. The good news? We have ways to fight back. Vapor barriers. We lay down a heavy-duty plastic or foil over the soil to block moisture from seeping up. Dehumidification. These units pull damp air in, squeeze the water out, and release dry air back into the space. Crawlspace encapsulation. This is the gold standard. We seal the vents, cover the floor and walls with a vapor barrier, add insulation, and often install a dehumidifier. It creates a completely controlled environment that stabilizes your home's temperature. Protecting your home starts from the ground up. Whether it's sealing vents or full encapsulation, you want a solution tailored to your specific house. With 25 years of experience across Southern California, Arizona, and Nevada, Dalinghaus Construction is here to ensure your home stays healthy for the long haul. Don't guess when it comes to your foundation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.